Alright guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Nike Air Force 1 React Quick Strike that dropped on May 8th. So let's get into it. Alright, man, these are nice. Alright, so as you can see, we have these materials on the upper, similar to the Air Max 90 Off-Whites, which is pretty cool. And then this nice suede material right here. Mine actually came with a factory flaw right there, but yeah, man, overall these are dope. Have this nice reflective material. It changes the words, which is pretty cool. And then on the tongue you have the same thing. And then a feature that I actually didn't notice right off the bat was that right here also changes, which is cool. Just a little extra detail from Nike, which is awesome. This is all 3M too, this Nike swoosh right here, and the laces. The 3M accents are actually really cool. I think that adds a nice touch to the shoe. So yeah, there's a nice shots of it. Alright, so now I'm going to take out the insole because it is thick. You guys need to see this. Alright, so check this out. We have this really thick Nike React insole, which is actually very comfortable. And inside that we got this little air unit right here, which feels really good. Like, this whole insole feels really good on feet. So yeah, I've actually already unboxed these and I've been wearing them around like once or twice. And yeah, man, it's like walking on pillows. These are super comfortable. And just for comparison, the material on this right here, the toe box, is like identical to the Off-White Air Max 90s, which, I mean, the quality is nice on these for only like, what, 120? They retailed at 120. So yeah, I had to pick these up. These were super nice, and I'm very pleased with everything about them. They're great. Here, I'll give you some more close-ups.
Oh, yeah, like, nigga be acting like a little deep. People tryna say I'm only enemy. Got a code with my dogs, can't get in between. I can give them life, no more energy. Man.